And put your other hand under his stomach.
Oh my gosh. That.
Yes, you a doggy. Got him a doggy, man. Come on, man. Let him down. Let him out of there, man. Get him out of there, man.
That's like the calmest release. Oh. That's massive. Oh my God, Dad.
What we got?
Dad, that's, oh my gosh. Dad, that might be 4. Dad, that might be 4. Dad, that might be 4. Oh my gosh. That thing is massive. Is he eating the birds? Like, bro. Dad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dad. That's 4. I'm calling it, Dad. That's 4 pounds.
Big dog. Here.
Yo.